and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to be here today. As promised 2 weeks ago, I told you guys we're gonna go back to crochet braids. So here we are. Of course, the first install for the spring had to be something related to faux locks, because y'all know how I feel about faux locks. I'm definitely gonna lock my hair when I get like 40. You know what I'm saying? I got a while to go. Actually, I don't, but today I'm giving you guys island vibes, vacation, girls trip crochet with this hair. So, of course, like always, if you guys didn't watch the beginning of the video, I showed you how I installed it very quickly, the same old routine that I normally do. But now we're gonna actually review the hair that I have in my head. So if you would like to hear more, stay tuned. If you guys didn't already tell from the title, the name of this hair is the Janet Collection Rockin Locs. So y'all know me and Janet go way back, okay? I used the Janet Collection hair for my first crochet video, so I've kind of been rocking with them for a really long time. So they released some realistic faux lock, crochet lock looking things. This is the 20-inch version of the Rockin Locs, but there is a bob style version based off of the back of the packaging that looks like this. So if you aren't really a 20-inch girl, you can get the bob style and kind of get the same realistic dreadlock look. I have 6 packs total in my head. Honestly, if you have a big head, please get 7, because I had to rearrange some as I was putting them in, because 6 packs probably wasn't enough for my head. Y'all know I got a big head. So 7 packs would have been perfect. So if you have a big head, go ahead and just purchase 7 packs, because yeah. So the hair, so price wise, the hair is $5.99, which you can't beat that price. Like I said, all you need is about 6 to 7 packs depending on your head size. So of course, we're gonna start off with talking about the pros of the hair, and then I'll tell you guys kind of what I don't like. So first off, let me just tell y'all, when I first got the hair and I saw it in the pack, I was like, I don't know about this. Because y'all know sometimes when you look at the, like, no offense to the model, but when you look at the model, I think it was because of the blonde that was in the hair. But when I first saw the picture, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like this hair. But I'm so glad I installed it, because I actually do really like this hair. It's pretty dope. So anyway, that's besides the point. Yeah, the pros of the hair is that the hair looks so realistic. Like, honestly, if you just met me, you probably thought I actually had dreads. Like, they look so realistic. I love that. It blends oh so amazingly with my braids, so it doesn't even look like, if you look at me from here, you can't even tell I have crochet in. So hello, dope. They're super lightweight. Like, I love the fact that they're lightweight, because again, I mean, it says on the packaging that they're lightweight, but you just never know. You have to put them in for yourself to see if they're actually lightweight. I honestly think this is like really good beach hair. Like, it's, you know, like, it's super lightweight, it's super cute. And to be 100% honest with you, if you were to go on a beach vacation with this hair in your head, you wouldn't have to worry about it like unraveling and looking crazy, because it already has the natural dread look. So it's not gonna cause you any issues when you go on vacation, if that makes any sense. Biggest con I have right now with this hair is that it is kind of rough. It does mimic real dreads, so it has that super rough, kind of irritating feeling a little bit. So if you don't really care for like rough feeling hair in general, this probably is not the hair for you, because it does feel kind of rough. It's soft, but it's rough, if that makes any sense whatsoever. For me, hair doesn't irritate me. As long as it's not heavy, I'm good. If you don't like hair that's kind of like rough feeling, then this probably won't be the hair for you. I think it's important to remember that they do have a shorter version of this. So I feel like if you do get irritated easily from hair, then get the shorter version, because it won't irritate you as much, in my opinion. So yeah, all in all, I definitely would give this hair, for first impressions, a thumbs up. I definitely think you should try it out. I think it's fun. I think it's something that you could rock for the islands. Like, if you're going on vacation, girl, go purchase this hair, throw this in, and then you won't have to worry about it. You'll have that kind of naturally like island vibe look. It's dope, and it'll be super cute for your vacation or your girls trip, whatever you're doing. definitely give it a go. All right, so thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. If you are new, please go ahead and subscribe. We will be doing more crochet hairstyles, of course, all spring and summer 18. So please feel free to subscribe below somewhere and come back and see me. And for all of my current supporters and subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. I love y'all. And until next time, y'all have an amazing day, week, month, year. Love y'all. Bye.